Hi, in this video I am going to demonstrate you how to install the latest SAP LOGON or SAP GUI 800 into your Windows system. So first of all you must have a download link for that. So I have a Google Drive link. I have copied it. Open my Chrome browser. Paste here, and as it is a Google Drive link, so you must make sure you have been log in with your Gmail ID. So I have been also logged in with my Gmail account. Now click on enter, click on download. So you can see the size of this download is 789 MB. You can click on download anywhere. Now we are wait for the download. The download speed is depend on your internet connection. So my download has been completed. Now I go to my download folder. So you will see this is a WinRAR type of or zip type of file, which is SAP GUI 800 for Windows. So you can extract it with the help of WinRAR only. It is my recommendation. You will extract it with the help of WinRAR only, not with the that inbuilt provided with the operating system. So right click it, extract files. Okay. So you will see extraction is in process. And why I said that you will extract it with the help of WinRAR only, because if you use inbuilt extractor, you will, when you going to install it, some file may be missing. It will show that exe file not found, or you will face some errors. So if you are facing that error, that means you are not extracting it with the help of WinRAR. So what you have to do, you have to download the WinRAR and extract it again. Now you will see my file has been extracted. So go to that folder. Again, SAP GUI for Windows 8 compilation 1 folder, Fresh 1 folder, GUI folder, Windows 64. It is recommended you must have 64-bit of Windows for fast performance. Now go to SAP GUI 64 setup, double click it, click on yes. And you will see the wizard will have to install SAP GUI for Windows 8 64-bit compilation 1. Click on next. Our requirement is only SAP LOGON front, basically your. So we are going to click on this only. We require only front end that will help us to connect to the server. Click on next. Next. So your installation has been begun. So first till the installation has been completed, I will tell you what are the operating system requirement and the hardware requirement for the SAP LOGON 800. So the minimum operating system that you have to require is Windows 10 or 11, that is 64-bit. And if you want to install it on your Windows server, then minimum requirement is Windows 2016 onward. Windows 2016, 2019, 2022 or 2025. Now talking about the hardware, as it is 64-bit, so the minimum RAM that is required is 4 GB, and you must have minimum 1 GB of free space in your hard disk. So that is the requirement for the installation of SAP LOGON 800 into your system. So we are waiting for the installation. After the installation has been completed, I will show you how to create connection to connect with your SAP server. Now for the connection also, you have required some detail that has been provided by your SAP server provider or your education institute or your company. So what are these requirements you must have? You must have the description, application server IP, system ID and instance number. So you will see that front-end installation has been completed successfully. You will close it. And you also see there is a desktop icon of SAP LOGON 64. So you have to double click it. So this you will find the SAP LOGON like this one. Now you have to create a new connection first to connect with your SAP server. So this icon, so the new, so you have to go click on it, new, and click on connection, right? Go to the next. Now these are the requirements which I tell you earlier that has been provided by your SAP server provider, your education institute or your company. So description, suppose it's a ECC server, so I will write SAP ECC. It's only the name by which you remember which server is this one. So you can write it anything. It does not hamper or does not affect your connection. But system ID should be provided, that has been provided should be entered as it is provided. So for me it's NSP, instance number are 2 digits. So for me it's 00, and application server, that is the IP that has been provided to you. In my case it's now you have to click finish and you will see a connection has been created in your SAP LOGON 800. Now we have connected to the SAP server and check the interface of this new SAP LOGON. So double click it. It will ask for the username and password that has been provided to you from your SAP server provider, your training institute or your company. So you will see I have logged on into the SAP server. Now you see the interface of this new SAP LOGON screen. So this is the default interface that has been provided with SAP LOGON 800. So you will see it's a transaction. You will enter your transaction here. This is your SAP menu bar, and you will see that new create new session has been provided here, and you will see a log off is also provided here. And if you want to check a status, setting has been also provided here, which has all the options. So this is the interface of your SAP LOGON 800, and you can directly log off from here. You have seen the log off has been provided here. Log off. Yes. So you will see we have installed our SAP LOGON 800 into the Windows system and create connections also. If you do not have a download link for the SAP LOGON 800, I will provide it in the description or the comment section. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me on the details provided on the description box. Thank you.